Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? So before we get started, I do want to encourage you guys to like, comment, and subscribe if you are feeling this video or enjoying the content that I put out. So first, we are going to start by adding primer to our face. We are using the Milk Cosmetics, and then y'all know how we do with our Morphe foundation, and then we are going to go in with our Fenty concealer. So you guys, I definitely want to talk to you guys because I know I said I was going to stop dipping my toe out there in a little dating scene, but I lied to y'all. Because it got real interesting. Y'all, your girl was catfished, okay? And to make matters worse, not only was I catfished, but the homie went and blocked me right after. Like, that is crazy. It was crazy, okay? But anyways, let me go ahead and tell y'all this story. All right. So I was on, the little BLK website, and the reason why I even got on that website is because I was on TikTok, and TikTok had that little BLK ad come up, and I was like, okay, the guys on here that's advertising, they real cute. I'm out here living in Atlanta. I know I need to be cautious, but I was like, okay, let's see what the little dating pool is like out here. So I downloaded the app, get on, and at this point, you can call your girl Dora Explorer because she out here swiping left and swiping right, you feel me? So anyways, I get on, I meet a couple of guys that I'm interested in or whatever, just judging by their little profile pic. So, everybody, me and everybody else, we all just chit-chatting, getting it together and stuff like that. So I come across one guy that I really like, right? He liked me too. Conversation's good. He's keeping my mind, my mental, everything is good. So we exchanged numbers and everything was good, right? So it comes to us texting. We texting, everything is great. One night, I go out with a couple of my people. Yeah, I ain't even gonna front. I be going out to these lounges with my mom, but she real cute and we be having a good time too. So I'm liking that my mama not looking like my mama because she is not crimping my style or nothing. I really enjoy going out with her. But anyway, so I end up going out with my mom, but while I'm at the lounge, I'm texting him and he's like, yo, what you doing? I'm like, I'm doing this, I'm at this lounge. He's like, okay, well, what lounge you at? I let him know what lounge I was at and he was like, oh man, no cap, are you sure? I was like, yeah. He's like, I'm getting ready to pull up to that lounge now. He's all like, my friends are already there, so I was coming to meet up with them. So I was like, okay, cool, no problem. Now, when I see him, homeboy's mouth is just on point, teeth straight, smile nice, everything is going good, So we doing our little thing, we dancing, we having a little drink, and then obviously it's time to go. He doesn't go, I do, because I had been at the lounge entirely too long. So anyways, I leave, he leaves, shortly after me or whatever. We're texting, we're talking, I get home, he get home. The very next day, we on FaceTime. Real quick, y'all, I am gonna go in with my Fenty setting powder and I'm going to put that on all of the places that I just went and threw that concealer on, just so that we can keep our concealer in place. Don't want to have no problems with this heat, this makeup, anything moving. So just make sure that y'all are putting on y'all's setting powder. Okay, so anyways, like I was saying, so homeboy and I, we on FaceTime, and every time he laughed and smiled, he kept putting his hand over his mouth. So I was like, okay, what's going on? Or he would turn his head to the side, and in my mind, I'm still like, okay, what's going on? So finally, I had said something, because y'all know your girl be having the jokes. I am funny. Okay, you guys, we're going to go back in with that Fenty concealer, and we are actually going to use it to create a base on our eyelids, because when I tell y'all finna be amazed with this little eyeshadow finna do. I'm about to get y'all I think 2 colors. 1, 2. Yeah, I'm finna get y'all 2 colors, and y'all gonna be happy with this look right here. But anyway, So after we go ahead and put the concealer on, we are going to go in and we're going to throw on some setting powder, because we don't want the concealer creasing or moving on the eyelids or anything like that. And we want our eyeshadow to just be on there just looking its best, pretty much, you know. But then we're going to go in with this Fenty bronzer, and we are going to do our contouring. Now, I like to contour with bronzer because, for one, it's soft and it gives a very natural look. I just feel like when I am contouring with an actual contouring palette, it can sometimes look a little like it's a little too much on my face, and I like very soft and wearable and everyday looks. Not saying that I won't use a contouring palette ever, but for right now, it be this Fenty that be having your girl hooked. So when this one's gone, I'm gonna buy another one. You hear me, Riri? I'm gonna buy another one. But anyways, like I was saying, so I'm on FaceTime with homeboy, and every time he laugh or smile, he's turning his head to the side or he's covering his mouth. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, what's going on? So now I'm really getting ready to start saying some mad funny stuff, because at this point, I want to know if my eyes are playing tricks on me, you know. So of course I'm doing my thing, I'm chit-chatting with him, then all of a sudden homeboy smile, laugh, he doing his thing, right? And I noticed that those are not the same teeth that I met at the lounge the other night. Real quick, you guys, I'm gonna go in with my Milani highlight and bronzer. You guys, this highlighter is really cute, really cute, very simple, and it doesn't have your girl looking like a disco ball. But anyways, back to the story again. Booyah. Okay, so at this point, now I know that my eyes are not playing a trick on me, because I got a thing for teeth. I got a thing for a man with a good grill. I ain't even about to cat. But when I saw those teeth last night, I was dead in your mouth. I was looking, I was like, yes, he got nice teeth, everything looking good. Now I see you on this FaceTime and your teeth are not straight. You got a lot of teeth missing down there. So I was just trying to figure out, like, what's going on? Like, why didn't you pop them teeth in before you hopped on FaceTime with your girl? Real quick, you guys, I forgot the name of this palette, but I will link it in the bio down below. And if I'm not mistaken, the color that we are using is Kenya. But then again, I will also link that in the description box down below for you guys. And if you guys are still watching this tutorial, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time your girl drops a new video. But anyway, so the whole time I'm talking to this guy on FaceTime, I can't understand why he just did not pop those teeth in. I mean, we've only known each other for about a week or two. We've only been chit-chatting back and forth for about a week or two. So I just feel like the teeth need to be in the mouth. Maybe give me a month or two before you start showing me like, yo, sis, the edges is painted on, the teeth is fake. I mean, ease me into your real physical appearance. I mean, us as women, you don't see us the first night taking off our wigs and all of that. You know, we give y'all some time, you know. So I said all of that to say, y'all, homeboy catfished me and then blocked me. It was weird. But anyways, y'all, this is the look. I hope y'all like it. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And your girl will see you in the next tutorial. Bye, guys.